Hello, Shemai. My name's Abby and I lead the CG Ambitions team here at Coleg Gwent. CG Ambitions is a service that's open to all learners who need support with their next steps. Whether you're thinking about going to university, getting a job, taking on an apprenticeship or even starting your own business, we're here to help. Our team of progression coaches can support with UCAS applications, personal statements and student finance for those planning to go to university. They can also help with employability skills, such as CV writing, job searching and interview tips to get you ready for the world of work. We have our very own enterprise champion that can support you on your journey to becoming an entrepreneur, whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your business. We also host events throughout the year that connect you with employers, with universities and inspiring entrepreneurs. You can find out more about the support we offer by exploring the Your Future dashboard on CG Connect. It includes information about upcoming events, the latest part-time jobs and how to contact us. Whatever your next step, we're here to help you fulfill your ambitions.